Argentina with a choice of going first or second. I think they'll go first and put the pressure on. I wonder if in his mind is the final at MetLife Stadium against Chile in 2016. Took and missed the first penalty in that shootout versus Claudia Bravo 8 years ago in the USA. The man with 8 Ballon d'Or is on Argentina's first kick. First to fire, as always, in these situations for Argentina, Lionel Messi versus Alexander Dominguez of Ecuador. It's Messi. Messi, oh, he's missed it. Eclipsed the bar of all the people. Lionel Messi, from the spot, the shootout's first kick has been missed. Shades of 2016 maybe for Messi in the Copa America. A shootout miss by, of all people, the player many consider the greatest who's ever played the game. For Ecuador, their first kick will be their veteran, Angel Mena. 61st cap, and he will take Ecuador's first penalty of the shootouts. Mena versus Martinez, the noted penalty killer for Argentina. And Mena and Martinez is up to his old tricks again in the penalty competition. In these shootouts, would you want any other goalkeeper but Emi Martinez? And he gets Messi for now off the hook. Emi Martinez and shootouts, partner, they go hand in glove. One each from the spots, none have been scored. Next, Julian Alvarez. Alvarez for Argentina, and he finds the top corner. The first successful kick, Alvarez for the Albiceleste. No danger, sheer brute force into the top corner. 1-0 Argentina. Again Messi relieved. Martinez again takes up his position. This one will be Alain Munda, whose goal got them into the quarterfinals in the winner of Jamaica. It's Alain Munda for Ecuador. Munda and again Martinez. He's like a brick wall in penalty shootouts. Another save by the Aston Villa goalkeeper. And Ecuador now have failed twice from 2 kicks. That's a brilliant reach. He just looks enormous in the goal, doesn't he? Alexis McAllister will be next. Argentina 1-0 after 2 rounds of kicks each. Next, it is for Argentina, Alexis McAllister after a long wait. McAllister right into the side netting. Can't get more precise than that. It is 2-0 now for Argentina in the shootout. Alexis McAllister with as good a kick as you will see in this or any penalty shootout. Can Ecuador get past this man? Johnny Boa, who came on to help save the game at normal time. It's Johnny Boa, and Ecuador does beat Martinez. Ecuador have one on the board at last. High emotion in the stands and on the field. Johnny Boa does not fail from the penalty spots. So, Gonzalo Montiel, whose penalty won the biggest prize of all, the World Cup in Qatar, December of 2022, with this penalty for Argentina. It's Montiel, who is so reliable in those situations. It is 3-1 now for Argentina. Now Ecuador have to score. Montiel from the spot in these shootouts. As a player, they put their faith in time and time again. Now Jordi Caicedo for Ecuador versus that man, the mountain in goal, Martinez for Argentina. Jordi Caicedo, the pressure on his shoulders here is enormous for Ecuador. It's Caicedo! They live again! So 3-2, but now this next kick can put Argentina into another Copa America semi-final. Caicedo beating Martinez. And now Nicolas Otamendi will take it on. Otamendi here for a place in the Copa America semi-finals. Otamendi, Argentina into the semis of the Copa America for the 5th successive tournament. But my word, this was a close one thing. On penalties, Messi missing, Martinez saving 2, and Otamendi from the spot, decisive. Ecuador falling short, and Argentina by a squeak are through into the semi-finals. Well, Team Messi relieved in the stands after Lionel Messi missing a penalty off the